So okay, I'm creating. Please remember this folder name. We are creating a folder name called final final react final react p ante project.
So you can, sir, can you
Oh, share the screen.
please share the screen?
Okay, so you guys have to remember everything. Okay, you guys have to remember everything. mm, First what I did was I created a folder. What is a folder called? Final react p. So you have to drop the folder here. Okay, then I'm going to exit out, go to the terminal. I'm opening new terminal. You have to follow the same steps what I'm going to do now. Okay, npx create react app space movidux. That's our name of the app. Then enter. కార్తీక్ వచ్చిన ఉండదు. So next you have to change the directory. If it says happy hacking means you installed everything nice. Now you have type cd space, what is the folder name? movidux movidux.
Movidux.
And now if you want to start this app, you have to start npm space start start. So we are going to end this project by this weekend. So today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If we spend every day 2 hours and Sunday 2 or 3 hours, we will be done with this project. What do you think, Sister Dolly? Is it a good idea to finish the project so early? Because we already explained a lot of things. This is our folder. I'm not going to explain what is source and public and node modules and package.json, log.json, ignore, git ignore. 1 minute, guys. Okay, so 1 minute. I'm going to open my personal folder.
I have a question. When you npx, so it should be open automatically the server page, or we need to do that run
No,
code or
you don't need to do it. It will open automatically.
Second time, because I
Second-
was trying to do in app J.
So what is your question, Sister Dolly?
I was trying to implement on use state and other all the hooks
Okay.
in app.js. It was not showing. The page was error showing. That's why I confused. Like how to run the codes again when we change on the.
So go here. Only just type npm run. No, npm start. Just type npm start.
Can you share screen, please?
Okay, I'm gonna share the screen. Okay, so
My screen.
no, my screen. So I'm doing from the beginning, but I'm not going to explain what is component, how many types of components we have. Okay, I'm starting first part. I'm going to finish right now because so because source folder, and then images all will go to the public folder. Okay, so what I'm going to do, sorry, control A, uh, control A, command C. If you come here, so we have these. I moved everything except this one. I don't want this one here. I copy this one, but I'm going to delete this one because it needs to go here in the source folder. Now I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so delete. Oh my goodness, come on. So okay, in the this one it's supposed not to be here. Okay, I'm going back to the code. This, okay, make sure that go here. So style.css here. Any questions now? I just copied the images. Make sure that all the images go to the public folder. Okay, all the images goes to the public folder. Any doubts?
You copied
No, sir.
Yeah.
from the Google?
No, from I created those images.
Oh, images you created and then you copied that, huh?
Because you can use any images. All the images goes to the public folder. All the source means your code goes to the source folder.
Oh, it goes to source code. Okay. Then it should be in the public.
Public means only the
Images.
Yeah, public only for the images. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the HTML page. Here's the title. What is our app name?
React app.
No, Movie Ducks.
App?
Movie Dex.
Movie duck, yeah.
So if you go here, if you put your cursor here, Movie Ducks. Then I'm going to change the image to fav.png. This is the image, right? I used before. Yeah, fav.png. Let's see. It's supposed to come. What is wrong with here? fav.png. I give the right name, right? fav.png. Okay, we'll see what is the wrong here. So we are in the same folder. Okay, so fav.png. Okay, still it's not showing any app, only Movie Ducks. FANG. What is wrong with this? Let me write it down again. fav.png. So come here, Control C means you quit the app. So the site cannot be reached because I stopped the app. you have to type Control C. Then I'm going to npm start again. Okay, so it's supposed to come the image. I don't know why it's not showing.
Brother, I want to
Sir,
try on my side also the basic one.
We have movie ducks. You can try your side too. Okay, let me delete this all. Hopefully I am not going to delete.
sir,
Okay, yeah, Ravi.
it's visible, sir.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I am very sorry. Okay, Sister Dolly, what's your question?
Yeah, I want to try the normal code on my side. I want you to, if you can guide me if I'm doing right or not, implement.
Yeah, so one thing we can do, we can implement. Okay, let's. Okay, you guys can open then. I will go. Both of them, Dolly and Ravi.
Ravi,
Even
you gonna
Karthik
go
too.
first?
No, sister, you go first.
Okay. मैं काम कर रही हूँ.
Next, Ravi will be there. Stop
Is
this.
it show? My screen is showing.
So make it bigger. Only share your screen, not everything. Okay. When you share, only one thing. Okay. Okay, good. Everything is good, right?
Everything's good.
Change the title React app to Movie Ducks. In the title. No. There only. Go down.
Here, right?
Yeah, go down. Go down. See title. Change the app to Movie Ducks. MOVDUX.
Do I need to save this also? Right
No, it's already saved.
now.
No. Why are you exit out?
Is it exit out?
Yes, now run the code. How you run?
That's what I
Oh, that's what you.
confused. Yeah, because last time when I do npn, it just run automatically. But now I don't know when I changes how to run.
Same. NPM start. NPM start. NPM space start. But it's not going to run for your code. I
First,
can see. First type
yeah,
npm space start.
npm space start.
What is that fail forward?
NPM.
npm space start start. Enter. Okay, so what is the error it says?
The path is problem.
Okay. See,
So
what is your folder is movie ducks. Okay, now
yes,
cd space cd means change directory and movie ducks. Same name as the folder name. You can see on the up. Movie ducks du. Okay, movie ducks. Okay, enter. Now you can say npm start. Enter. Samta Sanadam. It's starting system because it's slow. Okay, something happens. Starting the development server. Yeah,
Showing.
yeah, it's working, but it's slow. Okay, next Ravi.
Yeah, this one I want to change the name like how it's showing here.
I can show you how to change. Then you can do it. Okay, sister. Once I'm done.
Okay, brother. How to. Is it.
Stop presenting. Yeah, go ahead, Ravi. Ravi, sister. Ravi is my brother.
Yes.
1 minute.
Ravi.
I'm clearing my past
History. Okay.
code. So
Okay.
1 minute.
Karthik is my son. So Karthik is going to explain
You can
now.
show.
Share your thing.
Sir?
Please share your screen. You are doing great, sister.
Thank you.
Got it.
As the code
Just
running,
say
my
got it, sister.
laptop becoming slow.
What is this, ba? Who's this code is? Karthik?
Sorry.
Go to terminal.
Where is that?
Okay, type cd movie duck. Cd space. Cd means change directory. Okay.
Okay.
If you guys wants to learn about comments, I can teach you comments too, so that when you have an errors, you guys can fix by your own. Enter. Okay. Now npm.
So my mistake was the file name was wrong, right?
No, you were not in the correct directory, correct path. npm space start. If I teach like this, sister, that this course will take 2 years. Enter.
But we need to learn, right?
Yeah.
Actual how to run the code. It's important. It's
Type
okay.
yes. Type y. So I already told you in the video many times. Enter. Oh no, only type y. Would you like to run? Okay, it's running. Okay, it's successful. Now your app is working. If it's not running, then type localhost colon 3001 on the browser.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe the persons who's very good in this can help.
You are the only one good at it, sister. Reminding everybody, you are the one.
Also be helpful for you to take classes easily.
Because I wanted to finish this project so
If
easy.
I'm good there, I can help with their code. If not working, I can just give them ideas.
Okay, sir, go to Chrome. Open a new window. Plus, okay, click on plus sign. Click, okay. Type localhost, LOCAL, or else you can copy from there. Localhost Okay, localhost 3000. Enter. No, 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 no. This is not going to work. Go back. 3001 or 3000. Go back to your code. Go back to your code. Visual Studio Code, please.
Sir, 3001, sir.
Okay, delete 0 and put 1. Enter. Okay, go back to code. Go back to code. Go back to code. Because you have to. You didn't put the colon. Go back to code. Okay. So copy paste first one 3001 local. Sir, not yeah, localhost 3000. Copy or else click. Control click.
Control
Click.
E, sir.
Control click. Control means you have to select, then click and okay, copy and paste it on the Chrome.
Oh, okay, sir.
You are doing great job. Akare Kartikure Kartiku Kartikehe. So delete everything, copy paste, Control V. I don't know what you typed. Okay, so go back. Okay, open new tab. Open new tab. You don't need to bring your cursor to here. Put cursor here on the top.
Okay.
Not here. Put the top. Type. Okay, copy paste. Control V. I don't know why you got all this. Go back. Karthik, go back to your code. Only copy the one line. That's it. Oh, Deva, 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 Deva. Okay, you can type Control A. Put the cursor, Control A, Control V. No. Why are you going to the WhatsApp? Control V on the same play. Okay, go to open new tab.
Sir, he copied that code, sir. I think so.
Control V. Okay, go back. So you're copying the whole thing. Go back. I'm going to say what I'm going to tell. Okay, go back to the code. Okay, put your cursor on the link. Just put your cursor like this on the link. Put your cursor, come close further. Okay. Okay, so you have to click on the link. Click on the HTTP. Click. Okay, see follow link. Click on the follow link. Okay, Amaya. Oh, Deva. Go to the code. Okay, go to the public. Go to the public folder. Go to the public folder.
Left side.
Okay, click there. Go to index.html. Go to on the code. Go to title.
Huh?
Where is the title? Everybody has to do 2
Scroll
hours
down.
of homework every day. Go to title page. Change the React app to MovieDux. See, I give you the source code folder on my GitHub link. No one copied. MovieDux. Okay, that's all. Okay, Ravi, go ahead, Ravi.
Okay, sir.
You can stop. Whatever I say, you have to practice. Okay, we have been starting doing the React for a long time. Mhm. Who left the class? Sister Dolly?
No, brother, I'm here.
Oh, you are here. You are here. You are here. You are here. You happy. So there. Who wants to complete the React project by the end of this week? Raise your hand. Sister Dolly. Okay. Who Karthik too? Okay. Okay. Space. Make sure that you are in the right folder, Tammu. Oh, you are creating an app. Okay. npx create react. Okay. App. App space. Okay. You can give any name you want to. Make sure that everything should be small letters. It's always best to follow our project because this is a dynamic project. You know, right, sister? Dynamic project means you can send that link to everybody. You can post that link, then anyone can access your link. Then they will see your project. What we are enter. నారాయణ 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 ముగ్గురికి నారాయణ to see a list of supported npm comments run unknown command. Okay, unknown command నువ్వు తప్పించావు తమ్ము. Go back to your code. Oh, okay, react create app npm create space react space app movidex create react app unknown command అని వచ్చింది ఇది.
Sir, npx.
npx space create. You can also google it. npx the best way. Okay. Oh, you used npm create app space movidex enter. ఓకే అవుతుంది.
I think it takes time, sir. Take times.
Yeah, if it's a old laptop takes time. Make sure that when you save your folder, when you save your path, don't keep so many folders or files there. Otherwise it will take so long to go back, go, like it will dig. So okay, from here you know, right, what to do.
Yes, sir, I know, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's go see if it's happening like this. Then open new terminal and type npm. Okay, if you're in the same folder, then type npm npx start npm start. Okay, next so go back to the source folder, app.js, whatever we have here. So this is the page you're gonna see here. This is the only thing. See, this is the everything you see here. Woohoo. See, woohoo. So this is whatever you have in the app, it will appear. So because I imported one file called style.cs, if I come here, import style.cs. Okay, style.cs, this is this folder and everything will be given already in the group. So now what I'm going to delete everything from here to here because I don't want this one. Okay, so warning is fine, error is the only problem. So I'm going to control S save. Then you can see what is here. So so class name is equal to, here in the header, class name is equal to app header. This is a class name. Make sure that in HTML use all capitals, but in React you use a class name is uppercase letter. So tomorrow I'm going to send you some things. What are the own HTML and CSS you need to learn React? Only 12 things. So you don't need more things. So okay, anyways, whatever you see, if I go back, there is nothing here, right? Okay, there is nothing here. So I'm going to write here something called maybe say h1 tag. Okay, welcome to movie
A
Dex.
screenshot.
Oh, screenshot it. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Thank you. Okay, so this is the app.js. I removed everything from, I just kept only okay, I'm going to show what I deleted. Okay, this is the code, right? This is the default code. What I'm doing from A to images up to here, I'm deleting here. Okay, Control S. If you go back to the page, you don't see anything. Okay, now what I'm going to do, inside the header section, I'm writing some h1 tag. What did I write? Welcome to movie Dex. It says welcome to movie Dex. Okay, make sense, guys? Welcome to movie Dex. Welcome to movie Dex. Okay, MOVIE. Okay, sorry, MOVIE. Okay, if you make 100 mistakes, that will be nice. Make sure that don't make 101. Footer, footer section is the footwear means footer, right? Okay, footer means footwear. So make sure that always use a class name. Here I used a not app footer, I'm going to use a footer. So if you go, but there is nothing here because I didn't write anything. I'm going to do something. Okay, so I'm going to write p tag. Okay, so here okay, footer content, content here. Now you can see footer content here. Can you guys see? Do you guys see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now make sure that when you write any tags inside, you have to write class name. Then you can give I'm going to give a class name footer. It's always good to use a class name. Why do we see, you have to ask me class name? Why do we need a class name? Because I use the same class names here: container, header, search. Okay, Control F. See, footer class. Okay, I use the same class. If you use my files, make sure that you have to use the same classes. If you use different classes, so this content here. Okay, so any doubts so far? Any questions?
No, sir.
Sister Dolly, makes sense, right, sister? So you understand everything, right, guys? So far what we did here. Sister Dolly,
Yes, sir.
I'm moving forward. Okay,
Yes.
so here what we are going to do, one thing, you can create a folder. Okay, I'm going to create a folder. How do you create an src? You have to right click and go new folder. I'm giving a folder name components, components, components. Okay, so you're giving a file name components. Inside the components, writing a new file. Okay, I'm giving a file name. Components names always starts with a uppercase, right? Header dot js. So when you want to use anything, first you have to say import react from react. Okay, and semicolon. Okay, next because I wanted to have the same styling here too. I'm going to import because in the folder, inside folder, so you have to use two dots style.css. Okay, any doubts now? Any doubts, guys?
Sir, are you recording this class? Sir?
Yeah, I'm recording. Okay, make sure that if you guys follow this video, what we are doing here, then you will finish the project. If you ask me the same question tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
then Jai Jai Sairam, because we will never move. Your goal is to not to move, right? So export default function header. Okay, now okay, so we have any, so we didn't have anything, right? So we just have a header. Okay, because function components uses a return statement. If it's not function components, if it's class components, we use a render method, right? Make sense, guys? So for function we have to use a keyword render, sorry, return, return. Okay, if you say like this, oh my goodness. Okay, so here I'm, instead of using div like a div inside sorry, div inside div, instead of using div inside div, we just simply say if you want to use 4 divs, see div inside another div, like this. Instead of using like this, there is a shortcut div inside, this is called segment. What you have to do, delete everything, use a segment rule, open closed curly braces, that's all. This is a segment rule, this is as the same, this is a shortcut. So make sure that return function ends with a semicolon. Okay, what I'm going to do here, inside here, because we are in the inside, that's if you need more functions. So I'm going to remove if you have more than one div inside a div inside a div. Okay, so so I'm going to write manually so that you can see div div. Okay, enter, come here on the div using class name. You have to follow the same class names I used here, header. Okay, if you use in any header, the CSS code is not going to work for this folder. Make sure that you use the same class name. Then you can use img image class name, image class name. You can image class name, you can use a see image for file image tag is a self tag, but there is no closing tag. Okay, h1 has a h1 closing tag, p has a ps closing tag, image there is no image. This is a self tag. Logo, maybe I'm going to use called logo, then come out of this. Now src equal to so I'm going to use the this image here. Okay guys, this one, right? What is the image name? Source goes here, logo dot png, but I'm not done yet. Come here, logo dot png, if the image is not found, then if we give the wrong path, then alternatively it will show movie ducks logo. Instead of movie ducks logo, I'm going to give movie ducks. Okay, any questions now? See, it's not going to appear here. Why? Because you have to call this component in the main component. Make sense, guys? Any questions for now here? So I'm going to go here, h2. Okay, class is going to end. I'm going to send the link. Okay, we have 15 minutes, don't worry. one thing I'm going to tell you is, please దయచేసి వినండి. You have to do it here, then we will go further. If you ask me tomorrow how to do this one, I'm not going to teach you guys anymore, because it's time for popcorn. It's time for popcorn. Find your next movie here. It's time for popcorn here, so I'm going to give a class name. CL class name equal to app. That's what I use, app subtitle, title, subtitle. Okay, don't change any of the class names. You have to use the same class names. So if I go here, it's still not going to run, guys. You know why it's not going to run? Because you have to render this component into app.js. Okay, so how do you going to run? First import the app.js here. Okay, import import, then component name header. From this is in the header, components of header. So still now it's not going to render. Okay, make sure that check. Okay,
We have to use return statements.
no, not the return statement. What you have to do here, I'm going to who came? Did anyone come? Okay, so
Dolly.
okay, this is app. Then what I'm going to do, from the footer section, if I go back here in the app, so here I'm going to remove this one, header section. Okay, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take one more div section, div okay, class name container. Make sure the same, you have to use the same class names. Okay, so we are in the same. Okay, we are in the same thing. Now inside the div I am going to use header. Okay, header. So what is wrong here? Okay, default module found header div. Okay, so here, okay, I'm going to delete everything here. We'll see. Okay, there is, okay, only footer content. So now I'm going inside div. Oh, come on. Okay, div tag. Now here I'm going to use class name equal to c1tin container. Excuse me. So now I'm going to inside here, I'm going to use header. So okay, it's appear. Any questions so far? Excuse me. Any questions?
No, sir.
Sister Dolly and Karthik, you don't have any questions?
So which function, brother? Here's class function, right? Not there was from the hooks you used.
No, this is not. This is class function. This is a functional components.
Okay.
I use a function components.
Functional component. Okay.
Any questions now?
No.
Okay. Okay, so you it makes sense, guys, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure that this header is not This is different than this is a component header. Okay, before I used a header called HTML header. This is different than that. So okay, so if you guys don't have any questions, okay, so sister, okay, I'm going to go back to do one thing here. Okay, so next I'm going to have one more component here. New file name is footer.js. Okay, what I'm going to do, import import react
So,
from
brother, you created two file in app.js, footer
no
and
in
header.
components I create only two components folder. I have a small other two this is a component is a folder. Okay, this is see,
Okay.
this components is name is the folder name is component, but that is not a component. I give a name is a components. Inside these two, footer and header, these are the components, real components.
Okay.
This is the name of the folder. You can give any name, Dolly, Winnie, Bunny, Chinny, but I use a
So you did
component
in the source, right?
inside the source. Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so here because I need to use the same. Okay, so
So,
any questions now? I'm going to delete this one here, then I will show what is going inside. I will use div tag. Okay, I'm going to have um, I'm going to, because I wanted to have a time, dynamic time. Dynamic means if you use the same website, next year it will automatically change. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to do anything for your code. So I'm going to use current year equal to new date comma something. Okay, now here instead of here I'm going to use a footer section. Okay, I'm going to use footer. So what I'm going to do is, okay, footer footer. Okay, this footer is the HTML thing, but this footer, capital letter footer, is a component. Okay, makes sense. Here I'm going to delete. Any questions? The class ended. Oh, everybody is there, but everybody is Maunaratham.
no, just concentration of
Okay,
this
now you
2
have
minutes.
type class name. Inside the class name, the okay, p for the footer, you have to use the class name here, footer text. You have to use the same class name, because that's what I have this CSS file, footer text. So close this one. Okay, so here I'm going to do what I'm going to do is inside this p tag. Okay, copy. Okay, so copy current here moved x. So I would say moved x all rights reserved. If I go back to here, okay, because it's not going to show up anymore. Okay, so one thing I have to remember, one thing I have to do is I need a copyright symbol, copyright symbol. So I'm going to use copyright symbol, this one, copyright symbol. So I'm going to, instead of copy, I just use a copyright symbol. Okay, instead of, I need to remove this one. Do you need a class, sister? Okay, so you can go here on the app.js. Okay, instead you can also use the, okay, first of all you have to import import footer from footer component, then come here, footer. So hopefully it will run. Okay, it's working, right? So we will fix this one, footer content here, but this is the class for today. Okay, any doubts?
Okay.
Brother, how do you like? So you post the picture in the public, right? So once you post picture, like copy paste in the public, it will come like this.
Yeah, make sure that you have to give the path to in the HTML. Just to mention the this page, image
Oh,
dot
we need
page.
to give the path. I need to write it
So
down.
yeah, because I have everything here. Okay, so do you guys have any questions?
I give path.
I'm going to
No,
send the
sir.
video. Also, I'm going to send the source code in my GitHub. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thanks, guys. And I'm starting a new course, Java full stack course. If anyone interested, let me know. Like new people, not you guys, because you have one. First finish this one.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
So good night.
Good night. Thank you.
1 hour is
Good
fine
night, sir.
today.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one I taught 3 times. It's after 8 days, 9 days later. Mal again I'm teaching same thing. Kadavale.
No need. Next time.
Okay, I'm going to
What
post the
will be
video.
the next time need to study?
Study the same topics what I have given for the hooks.
Hooks only, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we didn't go here. See this, if you go to the web page here, so 2024 movie decks, right? All rights reserved. But the next year it will change the year. You don't need to do anything. It will change automatically.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Because of the JavaScript. Anyways, I'm feeling super tired. It's time 11 o'clock here. And until then, I'll